Time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
A breezy Tuesday here in central and eastern Kentucky, and that went a long way for overachieving afternoon highs well into the 60s, even flirting with the 70-degree mark. Now, heading into the overnight and Wednesday afternoon, winds are going to crank up at times, gusting 45, even 50 miles per hour plus. So have to keep an eye on that. Some gusty showers, a few storms, but the severe threat really low, which is always a good thing. And then on the tail end, how about falling temperatures late Wednesday with a few snow showers to wrap everything up. Start out with a little bit of sunshine early, but the clouds definitely winning out. Even with those, temperatures still managing to hang into the mid to upper 60s. You see the initial batch of moisture, it's starting to pick up the pace moving eastward, so it's rapidly approaching the I-65 corridor. So as we get into the early mid-evening, we should begin to see some rain moving in from west to east with additional showers and a few embedded thunderstorms expected into the early hours of Wednesday. Checking out downtown Mount Sterling, dry, overcast, and 64. There's your south wind sustained at about 15 to 20 near McKee, Jackson County. Similar scenario there. Temperatures hanging into the mid to even upper 60s. That's not going to change this evening until the rain arrives. We're a good 9, 10, 11 degrees milder than this time yesterday. Those wind gusts, especially I-75 westward in that 30 to 35 mile per hour range. You see where the rain is now falling. We got rain cooled air, so we will see temperatures backing off. There's the main low and the main surface cold front. Organized severe weather down to our south. It will stay there, so the timing on everything, again, early to mid-evening, we'll start to see a few scattered showers. That gusty line of showers with some embedded thunder right on the nose of the front. That should work through 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and that's when gusts could be 45 plus. So one of those nights where the windows will rattle, you'll hear the wind whistling through the trees. Starting out in the low 50s and then temperatures fall. The activity should be scattered. We'll be in the 30s by tomorrow evening. Enough moisture, yeah, we could see a few scattered snow showers on the tail end of this. Not enough to have much of an impact. Maybe the grassy areas, elevated surfaces at best. You see the bullseye with the severe weather down south. We got a little bit of our area in the low end level 1, but with the lack of instability, with the timing happening overnight and a lot of the energy being used up down to the south, that keeps us away from the organized severe threat. But check out some of these wind gusts potentially during the overnight hours. Still going to be breezy through the day tomorrow as that trough moves through the upper level energy. That's going to spike those winds up a bit, and then we'll see some additional breezy conditions hanging around into Thursday with a higher gusts expected through tomorrow. Wind advisory across the board, high wind warning there into Harlan and Letcher counties, say above 3,000 feet. As temperatures drop, that's when the feel likes and the wind chills come into play with a pretty steady breeze tomorrow night and into Thursday morning. Yeah, it could feel like the teens and then down into the upper 20s as we head into the late morning, early part of the afternoon. So big picture here. As we wrap up things and the system gets out of here, we will be breezy and cooler, mid-40s for highs on Thursday, but a return flow ahead of a fast-moving, fairly weak system that's going to push us back into the mid-50s to wrap up the week on Friday. 52 when you wake up tomorrow morning, windy with rain, a few storms. I do think we'll see a bit of a break part of the overnight, and then 52 the high because we're looking at falling temperatures. We'll have more wind through the afternoon, general rain showers. I think the snow showers hold off until after dark as temperatures will be in the low 30s and just hang there into Thursday morning. Still a bit of a breeze and cooler, and then a weak system heading into the weekend. Don't forget about the time change as we spring forward with daylight saving time returning early Sunday morning. Much more like it early next week as the spring-like air returns.